Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So I've been using Alpari Forex broker for a while now, and here's what I think. Alpari is an online Forex and CFD broker that has been around for many years. It offers trading in currency pairs, commodities, indices, and sometimes cryptocurrencies, depending on the region. The main focus is Forex trading, which is great if you're looking to trade major currencies like the EUR/USD, GBP/USD, or even less common ones. Alpari's broad selection of assets makes it a flexible choice for traders in various regions, with some platforms offering crypto trading in specific locations. Keep in mind that availability can vary depending on local regulations and market demand. Alpari supports MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are two of the most popular trading platforms in the world. These platforms offer charts, indicators, and tools that help traders analyze the market. MetaTrader 4, MT4, is perfect for traders who prefer simplicity, while MetaTrader 5, MT5, comes with more advanced features, including better order types and a wider selection of technical indicators. Both platforms provide charting tools that let you track price movements, set up alerts, and automate trading strategies. You can trade on desktop or mobile, which makes it flexible for different users. Whether you're on the go or prefer to trade from your computer, Alpari's platform support lets you stay connected to the market at all times. There are different account types available. Some accounts are designed for beginners with lower minimum deposits, while others are aimed at more experienced traders who want tighter spreads and faster execution. For example, the micro account lets you start trading with a small deposit, while the ECN account offers direct market access and narrower spreads for higher volume traders. This gives traders options based on their experience level and trading style. Beginners might find the lower risk micro account appealing, whereas seasoned traders will appreciate the added control and speed that comes with an ECN account. Leverage is offered, which allows traders to open larger positions with less capital. For instance, with a leverage of 1 to 100, you can control $100,000 with only $1,000 in your account. However, leverage increases risk. While it can boost profits, it can also increase losses quickly. This means a small market move can lead to significant gains or significant losses. It is important to understand this before trading. A good tip is to start with lower leverage until you're comfortable with how the market moves and how leverage affects your positions. Alpari also offers demo accounts. This allows new users to practice trading with virtual money, which is fantastic for learning how the platform works without risking real funds. You can experiment with different strategies, get familiar with the tools, and test your market analysis skills, all while using play money. It's a great way to build confidence before trading with real capital, and the best part is that you can practice as much as you need without any pressure. In terms of regulation, Alpari operates under different entities depending on the country. For example, Alpari UK is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, while Alpari in other regions may be regulated by entities like the Seychelles Financial Services Authority or the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. It is important to check which regulatory body covers your account, as rules can vary by region. Understanding the regulations in your area helps ensure that your funds are protected and that you are trading under fair and transparent conditions. Customer support is available through email and live chat. Whether you're experiencing technical difficulties or just need some guidance on platform features, the support team is there to assist you. The website also includes educational materials and market analysis to help traders stay informed. For instance, if you're new to Forex trading, you can find tutorials and guides to help you understand the basics of trading. Additionally, market analysis reports provide insights into currency movements, which can help guide your trading decisions. Overall, Alpari is a long-standing Forex broker with flexible account options and strong platform support. It may suit traders who are comfortable using MetaTrader and understand the risks of Forex trading. The combination of low minimum deposits, various account types, and access to advanced trading tools makes it a good fit for both beginners and experienced traders. As always, trading involves risk, and it is important to manage your money carefully. One piece of advice is to never risk more than you're willing to lose. Use stop-loss orders and stay disciplined with your risk management strategies.